Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to put text behind a person in Capcut PC. So drag a video here, add a text. For example, I want to enter a word like this way. And then you can change the font right here. Everything is up to you. You can also add an effect to your letter, to your font. So you can choose from any of the effects or 3D effects right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to export this one first. Because as you can see, the font is not behind or the letter is not behind the person. So let me export this one first. So once you export this, what you're going to do now is you can now delete the text. Okay, delete the text right here and then import that video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So yeah, basically you have to move the first video at the top and then you have to look for video, go to remove BG, click this auto removal, and here it is. So as you can see, the text now is behind the person. So all you have to do is to follow the instruction to see the same result. You have to match the video. It should be the same size, same position, because you just remove the background of the first video. That's the reason why. So this is the result. I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.